Back again, Drew here. Today it's a special edition of a very nostalgic Christmas 2024. And today we're going to show you how to unpacking the Icosa, the atomic fidget ball. Twist, turn, fidget! Let's get started. What you see here is that these are all kinds of instructions. The rules inside and the bottom. Copyright 2021. Let me unbox it. Oh, now Sister Toadie wants to help the unboxing of this part. And this is basically hint to do a why when it does. So here's the hello? Where is the instruction manual? I guess I'll shred it later. And she's finally boxed. Come on, you can do it. I'll take care of it. Now, Carrie was still unboxing.
Pause the video real quick.
She's always holding. Uh-oh, she's having problem. Man, how the hell trying to trying to use this do it with his scissors thing. Oh, yay! Oh. There you go. That's used for the flu shot for your clinic. I'll do that until next fall. Okay, so this is Jimmy Melly. Sign off.